You lie down at night, exhausted, hoping for rest. But instead of waking refreshed, you open your eyes the next morning feeling even weaker. Your muscles heavy, your legs shaky, your arms tired just from lifting the blanket. After 70, this isn't just getting older. This deep fatigue, this loss of muscle power and nerve strength, is your body's alarm bell. And here's the shocking truth. It's not age itself that's draining your energy overnight. It's what you're missing right before bed. Tonight, I'm going to show you a simple 5-minute ritual you can do before sleep that recharges tired muscles, soothes frayed nerves, and helps you wake up with a level of energy you may not have felt in years. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership, expensive supplements, or hours of stretching. Just a few minutes in your own bedroom, and the results can be felt in under 2 weeks. Why is this so important? After 70, the body changes in ways most people don't realize. Studies show that muscle mass naturally declines by up to 15% per decade after the age of 60. That means your legs, your arms, your back, all the muscles that keep you upright and balanced, lose strength faster than you think. At the same time, the nerves that carry signals to those muscles begin to slow down. Think of it like old wiring in a house. The current doesn't flow as fast. The lights flicker. The connection weakens. This is why so many seniors complain of trembling hands, burning feet, or that unsteady feeling when standing up from a chair. Add poor circulation and reduced production of growth hormones during sleep, and it's no wonder you wake up drained. But here's the hopeful part. Science now shows that even at 70, 80, or beyond, your body can rebuild strength, rewire nerves, and recharge energy if you give it the right nightly cues. And that's where this bedtime ritual comes in. In a moment, I'll walk you through each step, counting down from 4 to 1. The final step, number 1, is the most powerful and the most overlooked. In fact, when researchers tested it in older adults, they saw dramatic improvements in muscle recovery, nerve sensitivity, and energy within just 14 nights. So listen closely, because if you feel weak, if your legs tire easily, or if your hands shake when holding a cup, this could be the missing link you've been waiting for. Coming in at number 4 is a simple act that most people do too late, or not at all. Warm compression for your legs and feet. Before bed, soak a towel in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your calves and feet for just 2 minutes. Why does this work? A 2020 study published in Frontiers in Physiology found that local heat therapy before sleep increases blood flow by up to 40% in the lower limbs. This rush of circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to tired muscles and calms the burning nerves in your feet. Seniors who tried this reported not only less cramping at night, but also more energy the next morning. You can even add a few drops of magnesium-rich Epsom salt to the warm water, which helps muscles relax even faster. Imagine your legs no longer twitching at night and waking up without that dragging heaviness. At number 3 is controlled breathing paired with nerve activation. Right before lying down, sit comfortably on the edge of your bed and place your hands on your stomach. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale slowly for 6. Do this 5 times. Then, while breathing, flex your ankles upward and downward, almost like pressing and releasing an invisible pedal. Why does this matter? Deep breathing boosts oxygen intake, which fuels your muscles, while the ankle flexing pumps blood back toward your heart. But here's the hidden gem. This simple motion stimulates the tibial nerve in your leg, which plays a key role in balance and muscle coordination. According to a 2019 clinical trial in older adults, just 5 minutes of this combined exercise improved nerve conduction speed by nearly 12%. That's like upgrading the wiring in your body so signals reach your muscles faster, reducing tremors and improving steadiness. Next, at number 2, we add nutrition into the ritual, but not with a heavy meal. Instead, just before bed, drink A small glass of warm milk infused with a teaspoon of turmeric or a few shavings of ginger. If you're lactose sensitive, unsweetened almond or oat milk works perfectly. Why does this help? Milk contains tryptophan, which your brain converts into melatonin and serotonin, hormones that relax your nerves and prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. Turmeric and ginger are natural anti-inflammatories that reduce microscopic damage in your muscles and joints. A 2021 review in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed turmeric reduced markers of muscle fatigue in older adults by up to 25% in just 1 month. Picture yourself falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and allowing your muscles and nerves to repair at a cellular level. Just avoid sugary cocoa or caffeinated teas at night. They'll spike your blood sugar and rob you of deep sleep. And now we arrive at number 1, the most overlooked yet the most powerful part of this 5-minute ritual. Gentle isometric. Holds. Before lying down, stand near your bed for safety, place your hands lightly on the wall or headboard, and perform 3 simple holds. First, tighten your thigh muscles as if pulling your kneecaps upward, and hold for 10 seconds. Second, press your palms together in front of your chest and hold for 10 seconds. Third, clench your glutes, your buttock muscles, and hold for another 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle twice. Why is this so powerful? Unlike heavy exercises, isometrics gently activate muscle fibers without straining joints. They send a signal to your brain and nerves. These muscles are still alive. Keep them strong. A 2022 study from Age and Aging found that seniors who performed just 2 minutes of isometric holds before bed saw a 20% improvement in morning muscle strength after only 2 weeks. This is what helped Evelyn, a 74-year-old participant, go from struggling to climb a single step to walking upstairs again without stopping. The power of this ritual lies in its simplicity and consistency. Now imagine combining all 4 steps: warming your legs, breathing with ankle pumps, sipping a soothing anti-inflammatory drink, and finishing with gentle isometric holds. That's less than 5 minutes, yet it recharges your muscles, nourishes your nerves, and primes your body for true overnight repair. Instead of tossing and turning with twitching legs or waking up exhausted, you'll rise with strength in your arms, steadiness in your steps, and energy in your mind. Your body is always trying to heal itself. After 70, it just needs a little extra guidance. This bedtime ritual is your way of giving it the right tools, without pills, without pain, without confusion. Which of these steps will you try tonight? Will you start with the warm towel, the breathing, the drink, or the holds? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want your next decade to feel stronger, steadier, and more energized than the last, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a simple science-backed ritual like this one. Your muscles and nerves will thank you every single morning.